Hey, welcome back everyone. Today I'm at the Sturgeon's sawmill. This mill was opened in 1914 and ran all the way to 1964, and it's all steam powered. It's here in Sebastopol, California, and it's a living and breathing museum is what they call it. So let's go check out the sawmill and see what we can discover today.
These over here are old hit and miss engines. And the guy in the steel hat, the aluminum hat with his jeans, those are all his.
And here's some more of these donkeys, and here's one running here. Check this out.
Well, we got it running anyway.
1 horsepower?
No, it's a 10 horse.
10 horse. How old is this?
It's 1916, I think. I think that's where I got it.
1916.
Yeah, 1916.
Wow.
Now that one there is about a 1906, somewhere along in there. That's an earlier one.
1906.
They're both Fairbanks.
Are you going to get that going too?
Yeah. Yeah, he's getting a funnel so he can put some gas in it. And then we're going to start that one.
Do they run off gasoline or steam?
They run on gas.
They do?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Pretty cool seeing these old things running.
Yeah, this one was originally down in Stockton, and they pump water out of the Sacramento River out in the fields for irrigation.
Oh, really?
That's where it originally came from.
Huh.
People were selling their ranch and everything, and they walked by it. We had a meet. I don't know whether it was in Sebastopol or Santa Rosa or wherever. Anyway, the lady walked by and she says, "We're selling our ranch down in Stockton, and we have an old engine out in the barn out there. It's been out there for years. Well, when electricity came along, it was a lot easier to go up there and throw it was to maintain this thing every day, you know." And so anyway, we bought it from
We're going to be saying that about cars in 20 years, you know. They're all going to be electric.
That's true. I got a bunch of cars. I'm into antique cars too.
Oh, cool.
Know? Yeah. I got a 1913 Buick, a 1919 Buick, and a 1931 Buick.
That's awesome.
And
my granddad had I don't know that year, probably like a 68 Electra. Big, huge, giant car.
Oh, yeah.
With a trunk the size of a house, you know.
Yeah. And then I got a 16 Ford and a 23 Ford, and that pickup that's parked down there.
Yeah.
Mine.
Wow.
That little green pickup.
That's pretty awesome.
Lots of junk.
Well, thank you for telling me about it.
Oh, you betcha.
This one's going to be fired up soon too. Check out that. This place is cool. Got the other one going, huh? She sounds good. Cutting along.
Yeah, I have a lot of fun with it.
So belt would be here, and you could do whatever you want,
whatever
right?
you want with it, yeah. I've got a water pump and a saw and all kinds of stuff, but I just didn't bring it out today. I was in a hurry, and I just brought the engine. I've got close to 50.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a big collection.
I just brought these out. And this is a little Fairbanks Morris 2-horse Type T engine. Jack of all trades is what they call it, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So back in the day when if you were a salesman, you go to a farm and you pitch them on the idea of this?
Yep. Yeah, it'd have like a
replace your horse
generator and stuff for the house.
Okay.
And all that. Yeah, run the
be an
washing
easy
machine.
sell if you can afford it, right?
But in the days when this was brand new, they were like $250.
Okay.
which was a lot of money.
Yeah,
even
it's a
then,
lot
yeah.
of money, yeah. Pretty neat. And the fuel is gas? It's gasoline?
gas.
Has it always been gas?
Yes.
Always, okay.
Yeah. This particular style engine.
Does it get, does it use much gas? Or no?
It'd run all day on a full tank.
Okay,
Yeah.
very cool.
Very good. Well, I'm glad you came.
Yeah, what does this thing do?
That's a shingle mill. You know the wood shingles on side of houses and the roof? That's one.
When I was like 17, I worked out in Lucas Valley Road,
Okay.
and this movie producer bought one of these old like boys camps, and I had to shingle every house out
Really?
there. Yeah, that's all I did.
Well,
So I know about the
Yeah.
shingle.
there's a shingle mill right there.
Wow. Very cool. Thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Take care.
Yeah.